Like damn, she in her mood. Like damn, she in her mood.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I will be showing you how I do a half up, half down sew in on myself because I was getting ready to go to Barbados, and baby, my hair didn't make it in time. I was supposed to be doing like a I was supposed to be doing a flip over sew in with some 30-inch hair, but North Carolina got hit with a hurricane. My package didn't come in time. Luckily, I had some hair at home because my hair needed to be done, and I didn't want to wear no braids. You know, everybody wear braids on vacation. I'm tired. So I wanted some curly hair for vacation, so I decided that I'm going to do a half up, half down on myself instead of doing that flip over sewing that I was going to do because my hair didn't make it in time. And that 30-inch was going to hit, but whatever. So I'm going to start off with a, half part. So you can have half of the back braided down and then half of the top pulled up into a ponytail. And then I'm just going to begin to braid that down. It's very difficult for me to show y'all how I did this, but I tried my best just to show you how I braided my hair down. It's the same braid pattern that I use in my salon quite often. It's the 2 braids going on the perimeter of the section, and then the rest of the braids, just go in an up-down fashion in the back. Just connecting each braid, by adding it to the next braid. And I'll show you that here in just a second. I don't think I explained that correctly, but I'm a visual learner, and a lot of my videos, if you just watch, you'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a braid going down each side of the back, and then I'm just going to braid the middle down and connect all the braids to one braid, and then I'm going to crochet that braid into the braids itself for a flat base in the back. I haven't sewn my own hair in for a while, so my arms was hurting really bad. And when braiding your own hair or anything of that nature, take your time. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. It'll look best if you just take your time. So this is just a video to show you how I do a half up, half down sew in on myself. I did use a 16, 18, 22 inch of my Glamour Body Wave from my Vietnamese collection. You can find more information on this hair at theprettylounge.com. This hair did great on vacation. I will say that salt water tore it up, baby. The salt water in Barbados tore my hair apart, but I detangled it every day. It's still in my hair currently. I'm about to take it out, but the hair did just fine in the water. It's just that salt water is the truth. It was very salty, very, very salty. But Barbados was a great time. If you haven't been, you should go. It was a very good trip, and this was a very good hairstyle for the trip. So at the end of this video, you will see, some pictures of me with this hair, and, just a little clip of a video with me with this hair and how everything turned out on this trip using the Glamour Body Wave from the Pretty Lounge TPLX Extensions collection, which you can find at theprettylounge.com. I'm not going to talk too much during this video. I'm actually a little under the weather, so I probably sound a little stuffy. But if you just stay tuned, you'll see exactly what I did to achieve this hairstyle, and you yourself can do this too. So just take your time, okay? Don't rush it. And if you just really just hone in and, go slow, you'll be able to achieve this at home yourself. As usual, if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge every Sunday. A video does drop every Sunday here on this channel. All videos are organized by playlist. So I have an extensions playlist, a wig coloring playlist, a natural hair color playlist. I have all kinds of playlists. So if you are interested in hair tutorials, if you just go to my playlist section, you'll be able to see an abundance of tutorials on a bunch of different styles. But this is a half up, half down sew in. And as you can see, I'm just crocheting that braid into the other braids, and I'm putting a rubber band on the end just to make sure it doesn't slide through, because I am going to be in the water a lot with this hairstyle. So I'm just gonna, put a little serum on the front, tie that, put a little serum on the front, and then flat iron it down, and then mold it up into a ponytail. And then I'm gonna go in and sew the back down. But I love this hairstyle. It's super cute, and it is something that you could do on yourself. So yeah, if you have any comments, questions, concerns, go ahead and get down in the comment box. I'll be sure to respond back to you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can see new videos every Sunday to see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge. Thank you all so much for tuning in, per usual, and I will see you all next week for another tutorial, another hair tutorial here on the Pretty Lounge channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Peace.